Hey, what's up guys? So just a quick heads up for those of you guys looking for a good high performance yet affordable detector. Typically my pick in kind of the more budget level price range is going to be the Uniden DFR7. Good performance, long range performance, good filtering, GPS lockouts, all that kind of stuff. The R3 is the one that tends to get more attention because it's got even better performance. It's got the color OLED display and some cooler new features like the auto dimming display and that kind of stuff. But the DFR7 tends to be the more desirable affordable pick. That one normally retails for $299. You can regularly find it online now for $249, and there's actually a 10% off coupon that's now available again. If you type in Vortex Radar on BRD's website, you'll get another 10% off, and that drops you down to $224.99 shipped. So for those of you guys looking for a detector closer to the $200 price point, the DFR7, which normally is at $300, you can now find for down closer to the $200 price point. So that's something that's now available, and just wanted to give you guys a quick heads up. So awesome, link in the video description, go pick it up if you like. Once you pick it up, there's also two videos that I want to link you to. One is going to be the tutorial for how to set up the detector, to go over the programming options and all that setup kind of stuff. There's also a second video that I'm going to link you to, also down in the video description, for how to use the GPS lockout, since it's got manual lockouts, teaching you how to use them, when to lock a signal out, when not to lock a signal out, things to be aware of, things like that, so you know how to use the lockout feature properly, and I'll have that information down there as well. So anyway, there's just a new coupon there's a new coupon available, and I wanted to give you guys a heads up regarding that. So awesome, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.